Hello drummers! Today we're going to do something that's very exciting and somewhat difficult. And I'm talking about flams. But I have a technique that I learned from some really great drummers over the years. And I'm going to show it to you today. This is a vital technique to use to get your flams going, okay? So the first thing is we're going to label these things. This is when the stick that's low, when the stick is low rather, this is the flam stick. The low stick is the flam stick. The high stick is the accent stick. Okay? So accent means it's coming from a higher place, so it's naturally going to incur a louder stroke. Now, we can switch them, of course. This becomes the flam stick and this becomes the accent stick. Okay? Now, the most common mistake that I see every developing drummer do is when they go to do their flams, when this stick comes down, this stick comes up, then they meet, and in more complicated flamming, they get lost. Which is the flam stick, which is the accent stick, and they get confused. So what I'm going to show you today is going to take the confusion out of flams completely, okay? We're just going to work on a couple basic flam techniques on the pad, but you can apply this to any flam. It doesn't matter what the sticking, okay? So first of all, let's do a flam right or accent stick. But this, when we're using the right hand, flam right, and this is flam left, okay? Both accent sticks, flam right, flam left. So it sounds like this. Flam left. Now you'll notice how when we do a flam, the flam stick comes just ahead, just a hair ahead of the accent stick. Okay? So now you can create a really tight flam, like where the flam is occurring very close together, or you can do a wider flam where the sticks are further apart. Okay, you can also do something that's called a flat flam, where the sticks actually don't flam, they bounce together simultaneously, there's no flamming. Now the key to flat flams is getting the sticks to bounce at the same rate and evenly, and look at your stick heights. Now when we want to get a flam, we want to get that accent stroke coming down nice and tight against the flam stick. So these are just regular flams, okay? So let's do them with some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, alternating, flam right, flam left, flam right, flam left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to do something with a double stroke, and the flam is at the beginning of the double stroke. It's called a flam tap. And you're literally doing that. You're going flam, tap, flam, tap. We're alternating them. Flam, tap, flam, tap. Again, notice how flam stick is always low, accent stick is always high. They don't meet. Now they do cross, as you can see. They do cross right there, right? They cross, but there's no confusion. I'm always in absolute control of where the flams are landing and which stick is doing what. So the control part of it, really important. Flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. Now you can play these as 8th notes, 16th notes, whatever you want, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E. 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2. So let's do a bar of regular flams followed by a bar of 8th note flam taps. Okay? Now, the flam is an excellent tool to add to your arsenal of drum phrasing, licks, whatever can be used on the snare, the toms, whatever. I'll do a separate video demonstrating actual drum playing with the flams. Today's lesson is just strictly on the pad to get the flam. What I like to do is I like to get all my students and myself too to work everything out here, and then we go to the drum kit, okay? So the last one we're going to do is the Flam Accent. So the Flam Accent is like a triplet, an alternating stroke triplet with a flam at the beginning. You got that splat sound to get the flam nice. So let's run through that. What's happening is flam, left, right, left flam, right, left. So triplet, 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 flamelet, 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 flam accent, accent, flam accent, flam accent. So I'm just going through different ways that you can verbally feel out how the flam works. All right, so that is the first 3 flams we're going to work on today. We're keeping it simple. Just remember, flam stick low, accent stick high, no matter which flam you're doing. All right, thank you very much for joining me. I just have some exciting news to tell you. The audio equipment that I previously keep talking about is finally shipped and it's on its way. We are going to be doing some crazy drum lessons soon. Please like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. I've got so much more to offer. Today is my grandson's birthday, so I want to wish them a happy birthday as well. Dylan and Taylor, happy birthday, guys. I'm going to see you soon. So to all my drum subscribers, my new subscribers, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please keep subscribing. I'm always looking for new subscribers. Please comment, talk to me about anything you have any questions about. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. And please keep checking out my videos, and my new launch to my channel is coming very, very soon. Exciting stuff. See ya.